Greetings, Pilgrim. It's Will from StormTheCastle.com. And no intro or anything like that today. I wanted to give you an update on the stained glass night. I've placed all the glass, but first let's take a look here. This video shows you the state it was at before I started on it today. And I spent about 8 hours working on it. And I finished all the glass. Yay! Still got a lot more work to do, but it's coming along very nicely. Let's take a look. Here we go. There it is right now. Yeah. So I still have, well, there's a bunch of things I still need to do, including more of the zinc came around the edges and some touch-up work and whatnot, but I like it. It's coming out really good. Let's keep this going. I just wanted to say, let me see here. At the end of this video, I'll pop in a little end piece if you want to if you want to be updated on the stained glass night and the various things that I went through to get it done. And from beginning to end, I've got a whole full playlist here of it. So you can kind of follow along in it. And there also is a reason for me making this night, if you're not aware of it. An interesting reason in my own life. So anyway, let's take a look at a picture. There you go. There's where we're at. Hey, yay. All right. So let's, more stuff coming. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you like this stained glass night.